Good morning, adventurers. It is a cold, snowy day here in West Virginia. Driven here from Blackwater Falls State Park, and we're here at Spruce Knob, the highest point in Virginia. Alright, so this behind me is not Spruce Knob. Spruce Knob should be just behind that. If you see this mountain over there, right there, that's part of it, and it goes out a little further, and then the actual Spruce Knob should be right behind this one. So we're gonna drive up this road. There's a short hike. Let's go. Alright, made the drive up here. We're hiking out. It's a short half-mile, maybe a quarter-mile hike to the Highpoint. Hey man, before I drove up, I was watching the temperature. It was 35 degrees. I was getting excited. And as I drove up the mountain, it got colder and colder. Now it's 20 degrees. It's snowing harder than ever, and the wind gusts have really picked up. I'm in the trees now, so it's blocking the wind, but whew, it's getting pretty treacherous out here. Luckily, I'm from Minnesota. This is nothing. Alright, we're here at the tower. We'll make our way up. It's not a very big one. And this is a very robust stone and metal tower. It's only about what? Maybe 40 feet high? Alright. And there's not really any view. The weather's not cooperating with me. Okay. That felt like a waste of my time. Now we have to find the actual high point, the marker. There's a couple trails leading off over here. This looks like it goes downhill. Let's check this trail over here. Here it is. I found the marker. It's on the ground right at the base of the tower here. Highpoint number 16, I believe. I lose track. Highpoint of West Virginia. I actually really like West Virginia. This is actually a pretty beautiful state. This is my first time in West Virginia. Yeah, very beautiful area. I love the alpine feel of this area here. The rocky ground and the pine trees. Gorgeous. There are a couple of viewpoints on the way down. We're gonna stop at one of them on the way down. Wrap this thing up before I get stuck up here in the snow. Also, Spruce Knob needs a registry, as well as a Highpointers official bench. How come some places get them, some places don't? All right, here is the western view. Oh man, this place is pretty cool. I wish the weather would be cooperating with me. I am freezing to the bone. Oh, and this wind. Woo! Anyway, Highpoint number 16. Awesome. I need to get off this mountain. By the way, if you're wondering why it's called Spruce Knob, a knob is a mountain with a rounded top. That's why it's called knob instead of peak. Woo! Anyway, thanks for joining me, everybody. I'll catch you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.